What if I tell you that you can create 30 YouTube shorts within an hour? Let me show you the power of AI tools that take content creation to the next level. First of all, let's ask Chat GPT to find a niche for us. Lots of good ideas. I think I like this one. Diet and nutrition tips. Let's go. Here's the prompt asking Chat GPT to generate data for us. It will choose 30 healthy foods, and for each one, list 3 nutritional benefits of that food. I asked Chat GPT to organize results to a table, since we can copy and paste it into Canva later. Then ask it to make the title to be a question so that it will trigger viewers' curiosity, and also ensure the value within 200 characters, so it should fit the screen. Now we can move to Canva and batch creating shorts. Pick mobile video and create a blank design. Search for healthy quotes templates. Choose the one you like. I kinda like this one. Let's change the fonts, size, add some animations, and then add a round rectangle transparent background for this text box. Let's see how it looks. Pretty good. You can add your channel name as watermark so that others won't steal your short and just upload. We just need to duplicate 3 text boxes to hold the 3 nutritional benefits. Okay, let's edit the timing. We want each of the 4 text boxes show up sequentially, and each stays for 3 seconds. Now let's go to App on the left sidebar. Find Batch Create App and click to add. Copy-paste the table from Chat GPT. And now we need to connect data. Pick the text box, click the ... menu and select Connect Data. Pick the corresponding column. Once all 4 text boxes connected with data, click Continue button. A new page will be created. Let's check how they look like. Adjust the text box or font size to ensure your text align properly. Once you are satisfied with all shorts, click the Share button and then click Download. Make sure you check Download Pages as separate files box to download each video as an individual file. There you go. Now you can upload shorts to your channel. Make sure to use mobile for uploading since you can choose which frame as the thumbnail. That's it for today. You can check out this video next. It will show you the magic AI tools in Canva, which dramatically helps content creators' productivity. See you next time.